Hi guys, good evening. I hope you all are having a great Sunday. So I just thought I'll make this video because I keep talking about health, fitness and everything, right? But sometimes for some people it can be hard to just get up and start moving your body, right? It could seem intimidating also to hit the gym and everything. So instead of making the drastic change, you can start with like a very small change, okay? And that small change could be just walking. I mean, see, you have to lift weights eventually, you'll have to eat healthy food and everything, but if you can just if you're too busy with your schedule, if you can't move around, it becomes too hard, right? Then just start by walking. It's the most simplest form of exercise. You don't have to do anything, right? Just walk. And just try to get 10,000 steps a day, right? It's so underrated. Walking is literally the most underrated exercise. Just start walking. Try to get around 10,000 steps a day. You don't need, see, when you're walking, you don't need any fancy equipment, nothing, right? Just get out of the house. It could be in your colony, it could be in your society. Like right now I'm just walking, this is a route near my house. All you have to do is that just try to target first, like moving your body. Try to get around 10,000 steps in a day, and along with that try to get a really good really good diet, like getting like around 2 grams of protein per kg, or at least start with like 1.2 grams per kg of protein, right? You can start with that, and then you can move up. Once you start seeing changes, move up to the gym and everything. Like if you do not know where to start, at least start by walking around 10,000 steps a day. That's like the most easiest thing you can do. Yeah, that's that. At least little changes is much better than doing nothing at all. What they tell, something is better than nothing, right? So that's that. I hope all of you can, I understand most of you could be busy, you could be having a lot of responsibilities. You could be like there must be work, parents, kids and all of those things. It could be very hard, right, to find time. But I think a little bit, small changes we can start doing to a lifestyle, right? Start by walking and eating good food, and then eventually like you can start. Once you get used to this, once you start this is not a huge change, right? Once you start getting used to this, then you can like start making a little bit, you can progress level, you can increase your progress, start lifting weights, start doing other activities. You can just increase the difficulty level. But for now, if you're a couch potato, and if you find it too hard to make time for anything, if you find it too hard to incorporate any kind of fitness, whether it is going to the gym or other things, just start simply by walking. Try to get 10,000 steps. You don't even have to get a Fitbit watch or anything. I'm pretty sure all of us are dependent on a phone, right? We carry our phone everywhere we go, right? Just keep your phone with you. You get to know, you can just check your health app on your phone, that will calculate the steps that you do. Just start small, right? What they tell, like 1% every day, be better 1% every day. I think that's a quote, right? So be better 1% every day. Start by today, don't procrastinate. I mean, see, we are already into like what, it's February 2nd, I believe. So we're already like 30 days into new year, right? Or more than 30 days actually, right? So we're already there, and we have now 11 months, and I'm pretty sure that most of us did a lot of promises to ourselves, right? Like you promised to hit the gym, you promised to like be better and everything. You could have been slacking right now, but if you are, don't give up. You still have 11 months. Get your ass up and going every day. Make time for yourself. Be better. Get to walking, get some steps, and control your food. I would say diet is the most important part, right? Like try to get the best protein sources out there: eggs, chicken, mutton, other sources of red meat, internal organs of meat, all of this. If you're a vegetarian, target paneer, Greek yogurt, milk, all of these things, right? And just get going, because I believe we all can make money one way or the other if we strive really hard. But health, once it is lost, I would say two things: health and time. Once it is lost, it is very difficult to get it back. I believe there is this quote also that goes, right, that says I believe ask ask a man who's on his deathbed, ask, you know, his only, I mean, I do not know, I don't remember that quote right now, but it goes more like, you know, if you ask a man in his deathbed, he has only one wish, that is health. And I believe even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, right, the most famous investor that we look up to, I believe, in the Indian stock market, even he had only, you know, one regret, that was his health. So I believe let 2025 be the year of health, wealth and happiness, but make health your priority in all aspects, right? So that's that, y'all. I hope you'll have a great Sunday. And if you're watching this video, it doesn't matter if you're watching it at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or even at 10 o'clock, right? Just get your ass moving, start walking today, and then incorporate slowly the other things to your life. Make some changes and get better. I'm counting on you. If not me, your family is counting on you, right? So if not for yourself, be better for them. So yeah, that's that, guys. Take care.